Hello everyone. Welcome to the introduction class of the coding camp. I am Hansika and I will be your coding coach for the next 7 days. About this camp. This is a 7-day live coding camp specially designed for kids aged 5 to 8 year olds. Here's what you'll get. 1 hour fun-filled live sessions every day. Simple and colorful drag and drop coding, homework activities to practice what you learn, and a special certificate at the end of the camp. Before we start, let's check a few things. You should be on a laptop, desktop, or computer for your classes. You should have a Gmail address and know the password. You should be ready with your brain switched on and a big smile on your face. Before we start the course, let's find out what coding is. I have two questions for you. Do you know what coding is? And have you ever told a robot or a computer what to do? So, what is coding? Coding, also known as programming, is how we talk to computers. Coding is giving instructions to a computer to make it do something like a game or an animation. In other words, coding is like giving a recipe to the computer. If you want a game or a story or a robot, you write the steps and it follows. But why should we learn coding? Coding helps us in many things. Let's see. Number one, to make games and animations. Do you play video games? If yes, what is your favorite video game or cartoon? Did you know that coding is used to build games like Minecraft, Mario, or Pokemon? Coding is what makes it happen. Number two, control robots. What do you think a robot works? How do you think a robot works? Can a robot understand your instructions? So, robots need code to move, talk, and think. Number three, build apps and websites. Which app do you use the most on your phone or tablet? Or have you seen your parents use any apps or websites? All the apps on your phone or the websites that you use are made with the help of code. They are designed with code. And number four, the most important reason is that coding teaches problem solving, creativity, and critical thinking, just like a brain workout. Have you ever solved a tricky puzzle or a maze? Do you think coding is like solving a puzzle? So, where do we use coding in our daily life? It is all around us. Have you ever wondered how the character jumps or how the score gets updated in a game? This is through coding. On your phones and tablets, apps like YouTube, WhatsApp, and Instagram work because of coding. Coding also helps self driving cars to know where to go. And coding helps to design smart TVs and voice assistants like Alexa in your homes. Let's learn some basics of coding. Three concepts that we learn today are what is a command, what is a sequence, and what is a code. So, command is an instruction to do some work. When more than one command is given in an order, one after the other, it is called a sequence. A sequence of command is what forms a code. So there are many types of coding, and in our course, we will be using block coding, also known as Blockly. What is this and how does it work? So, block based coding uses colorful blocks that fit together like puzzle pieces. Each block represents a command or an action. The examples of a few blocks are the north, south, east, west, and the repeat blocks. But why should we use blocks? They create no spelling mistakes. They are easy to understand and it looks like you're playing a game. They help you learn the logic before typing the real code. Let's look into the introduction of the Code Studio. The Code Studio has four parts. The first part is known as the play area. It's where your program will run. The second part is the toolbox. It holds all the blocks that you will need for each puzzle. 3. Workspace. The area you will drag blocks to build your program. And the fourth is the instruction area where you will see the instructions for each puzzle. So, this is the instruction part of it. This is the play area, this is the blocks, and this is the workspace. Let's look at the course schedule. Day 1 is Introduction to Coding and Logging In. You will learn what coding means and how to log into your own coding account. Day 2, Blockly and Sequencing. Play based introduction to Blockly and how to arrange blocks in the correct sequence. Number 3, Programming and Debugging. Learn how to give instructions to computers and fix simple bugs in code. Day 4, Loops. Introduction. Understand repetition with real world examples and fun unplugged activities. Day 5, Repeat block in action. Use the repeat block to reduce code and complete puzzles faster. Day 6, Complex loops made easy. Combine logic and loops to solve more interesting challenges. And day 7 is mini projects and certification. You can create your own mini project using what you've learned and present it in the session. You will also be receiving a certificate once you finish your course. So, see you in the course. Thank you. You can contact us to register.